Good morning, America, and good evening, India. Here is some big breaking news. From symptoms varying from loss of smell, hiccups to more severe signs of neurological complications, COVID symptoms are quite different and unheard of. There is also the case of asymptomatic transmission, which makes a person experience no symptoms, while there is no concrete evidence behind why a person feels asymptomatic. The risks from asymptomatic patient can be far more menacing than other. While asymptomatic patient can continue to recover in an easier way than others, asymptomatic carriers can pose a high risk in the spread of COVID-19 since it is difficult to identify them. There is another reason why asymptomatic patients are unique to COVID-19. The virus may be making them feel no pain altogether as compared to other people, according to a study done by USA. According to a study done by the University of Arizona, USA, SARS-CoV-2, the deadly virus which is responsible for causing the COVID infection in human, may actually be impacting certain cells in the body, relieving pain and making patient experience next to none symptoms. The newest research might hold a clue as to why asymptomatic patients, more than half of the infection cases, experience no symptom or signs but continue to spread the infection in huge number. Pain suppression to be the reason, according to pharmacology, according to doctor of pharmacology, the reason some patients experience zero symptoms of COVID-19 is that the virus may be causing pain suppression, especially in the early stages. Since such patients may experience no changes in their vitals, they may go about their usual routine, thereby transmitting the infection onto others. Knowingly or unknowingly, it should also be noted that the earliest days of infection are considered to be the most contagious. The study, which will soon be published in the journal Pain International Association for the Study of Pain, mentioned, it made a lot of sense to me that perhaps the reason for the unrelating spread of COVID-19 is that in the early stages, you are walking around all fine as if nothing is wrong because your pain has been suppressed. You have the virus, but you don't feel bad because your pain is gone. If we can prove that this pain relief is what causing COVID-19 to spread further, that is enormous value. Figures by the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) USA also suggest that a big percentage of transmission risks, 40%, occurs in the earliest of the day before symptoms. The findings can also provide some clue to the fact as to why do 2% diagnosed with the same infection experience such different symptoms, but why does the body experience no pain? Although there are more ongoing studies going on, one reason behind being asymptomatic or having painless COVID would be the way SARS-CoV-2 spike protein might be interacting with the body's pain receptor cells, thereby silencing it. Hence, one way of tackling this is to neutralize the spike protein of the virus. The way SARS-CoV-2 attacks our body is by attaching itself to the ACE2 receptors. However, recently scientists were able to make the discovery that there is yet another way the virus enters by using the help of receptor cell, neuropilin. One, interestingly, the proteins and pathways associated with this specific receptor cell, neuropilin 1, are involved in pain processing and relieving. When the COVID-causing virus does attach to this specific cell, it limits the function of the vascular endothelial growth factor, which is involved in neural function and pain receptivity, ergo making people experience zero symptoms. Scientists have also conducted experiment on rodents which supported the same theory. According to Dr. Khanna, one of the prime researchers involved in the study, spike completely reversed the VEGF induced pain signaling. It did not matter if we used very high doses of spike or extremely low doses, it reversed the pain completely. Beyond the report, Fosak TV US.